Forensic science is a critical field that combines science and law, focusing on collecting and analyzing evidence to solve crimes. In any criminal investigation, evidence collection is one of the most essential steps as it helps build a narrative and leads investigators towards solving the crime. Let's explore the main steps and techniques in evidence collection and understand their importance. Crime scene investigation. The first step is to secure and survey the crime scene. जैसे ही investigators crime scene पर पहुंचते हैं, सबसे पहले उसे secure करते हैं ताकि कोई भी व्यक्ति scene को contaminate ना कर सके. They put up barriers or tapes around the scene, and only authorized personnel are allowed to enter. This is important because एक बार crime scene disturb हो गया, तो evidence की credibility पर असर पड़ सकता है. Evidence collection techniques. 1. Photography and videography. Before any physical evidence is touched or moved, investigators photograph the scene from multiple angles. ये process ये ensure करता है कि scene की exact appearance को record किया जा सके, जिससे बाद में कोई भी detail छूटे ना. Fingerprint collection. Fingerprints are one of the most common and unique forms of evidence. Investigators use different methods to lift fingerprints depending on the surface type. For example, smooth surfaces might require dusting powder, while porous surfaces might need chemical methods. ये process ये establish कर सकता है कि कौन-कौन crime scene पर present था. Trace evidence. Trace evidence includes small but significant items like hair, fibers, or soil. ये particles usually naked eye से detect नहीं होते हैं, but with microscopic examination, they can reveal a lot about the suspect or the scene itself. For instance, if a hair sample is found, forensic experts can use DNA analysis to potentially link it to a person. 4. Biological evidence. Biological evidence, such as blood, saliva, or tissue, provides DNA information that is often unique to an individual. Investigators collect these samples carefully to avoid contamination and use them to either confirm or rule out suspects. DNA evidence is one of the most powerful forms of evidence because it can directly link a person to the crime. 5. Tool marks and impressions. Sometimes tools like hammers, knives, or even shoe prints leave marks at the crime scene. Forensic scientists take impressions of these marks and compare them with potential tools or shoes belonging to suspects. इस प्रकार के एविडेंस से ये पता चल सकता है कि कौन से इंस्ट्रूमेंट का यूज हुआ था. 6. Electronic evidence. In today's digital age, electronic evidence जैसे mobile phones, computers, or CCTV footage भी crime solving में major role play करते हैं. This type of evidence may reveal a suspect's movements, contacts, or even motive through analysis of text messages, browsing history, or call logs. Preservation of evidence. Each piece of evidence must be carefully preserved to ensure it remains uncontaminated and authentic. Evidence collected from the scene is placed in secure containers and labeled with details like date, time, location, and the collector's name. फिर इस evidence को forensic lab में transport किया जाता है जहां उसकी further analysis होती है. Chain of custody. The chain of custody is a documentation process that tracks who handles the evidence and when. Every time evidence changes hands, it is recorded to maintain integrity. ये documentation इसीलिए important है ताकि court में present करते समय evidence की authenticity पर कोई सवाल न उठे. Forensic analysis in lab. After collection, evidence goes to the forensic lab where scientists conduct detailed analysis using techniques like DNA profiling, chemical analysis, and ballistic examination. DNA profiling, for example, helps in identifying individuals with high accuracy. If a weapon is involved, ballistics analysis helps understand the trajectory and impact of a bullet. All these analyses provide scientific data that can either support or refute the theories proposed by investigators. Importance of evidence collection in justice. Proper evidence collection is essential for ensuring justice. अगर evidence सही तरीके से collect और analyze किया गया, तो suspect को convict करने में आसानी होती है. Courts rely heavily on forensic evidence, as it is often more reliable than eyewitness testimonies. यही कारण है कि forensic experts पर यह जिम्मेदारी होती है कि evidence collection और analysis में कोई गलती न हो. In summary, evidence collection in forensic science is a meticulous process involving various techniques and procedures. From securing the crime scene to preserving the evidence, each step is essential in establishing the facts. Forensic scientists play a crucial role in this process, combining scientific expertise with investigative techniques to aid the criminal justice system. Properly collected evidence not only helps identify perpetrators, but also ensures that innocent individuals are not wrongfully convicted.